Understanding your team performance diagnostic report. Diagnosing team performance has many benefits. It helps teams identify how they are doing in those result areas that make a strong contribution to high performance. In addition, the diagnostic report, along with effective facilitated discussions, can help the team pinpoint specific actions to improve its effectiveness. Also, by identifying an appropriate performance benchmark, the team can then conduct follow-up assessments periodically to measure progress and fine-tune its performance. The cover page shows team name, company name, and the date the report was produced. The report contents page is self-explanatory. Section 1 provides an overview of what is measured by the team performance diagnostic. It is important to refer back to this when reading the report sections. The first part of Section 2 explains what the chart tells you. It is important to understand this before proceeding to the team's chart on the next page. This page shows the overall performance of the team in chart format. The three lines on the circle represent the team's perception, the manager's perception, and the external perception. When reviewing the map, look for relative highs and lows within the team. So, for example, the manager's perception is that handling feedback is very high, and yet both the team and external observers believe this dimension is lower. Also, on relationships, the external observers believe the team has a positive outlook and values diversity, however the scores from the team and manager are not as high. On the achievement side, the manager and team's perception of driving for results is much higher than the external observers. Analysis of variance in these results may give rise to areas for exploration. For example, the team may think they are driving for results, but clearly in the eyes of the external observers they are not. A guide to facilitating a team performance diagnostic review session is available in Download Docs and will be shown at the end of this video. Section 3, Team Morale. The graph shows the team's and the manager's view of team morale, which is a combination of the levels of enthusiasm and persistence with which team members engage in the activities of the team. The overall team morale score is calculated by using data from the team members only. Section 4, Summary Scores Chart Key Result Areas. This summarizes the key result areas shown on the performance and team morale graph and allows you to see differences in ratings between the various groups whilst also showing the performance level of each factor. Section 5, Summary Scores Chart Organizational Culture. This section measures the organizational culture of the organization within which the team operates. The 8 cultural factors are shown in the chart, showing once again the difference in ratings between the various groups, whilst also showing the performance level of each factor. Section 6, Team Performance Ratings, shows the highest and lowest ratings for key result areas. Section 7, Key Result Areas, shows the factors in graphical form to help the team identify at a glance those areas in which they deliver high performance, as well as those areas that require attention if the team is to become high performing. Section 8, Team Self-Perception. In high performing teams, team members share a common, clear and accurate perception of the team's performance. In this chart, each axis achievement and relationships displays 2 sets of scores in white circles. The less variation between these scores, the greater the consistency there is in the team's perception of performance. Conversely, the greater the disparity, the less consistent the team views are of its performance. Section 9, Respondents' Comments. The following pages contain the unedited comments from the manager and team only. If required, these questions can be edited prior to the questionnaire being instigated. Don't forget to download the PRISM Team Performance Diagnostic Review Notes, available in Download Documents, to help you facilitate your team review session. Please see the video on how to create a team diagnostic session.